If I asked you, can you make a shed? You would probably say, yes, of course, or with the right tools, I can. But if I asked you to make a shed in under 4 hours and without power tools, you would probably think a little before answering the question, and we will likely have no as an answer. In this video, our team, consisting of McDonald Duru, the project manager, Abhi Patel, the team communication, Prince Ogbodo, the team technical, and Dylan Cyusa, the team procurement. We'll work you through the possibilities of constructing a shed in under 4 hours. Most people can most definitely design a shed. Even our client already had a shed constructed before coming to us. Hence, making a shed wasn't the major requirement of the project, but rather designing an MVP shed that will be put together in under 4 hours was the primary focus.
After tons of brainstorming sessions and multiple conceptual designs, the team arrived at a modular shed design that will have its parts pre-manufactured to be easily assembled on site. The unique features of our shed design is the inclusion of a castle joint. This Japanese joinery method firmly locks in together and sets the stage for the overall dimensions of the shed. One of the project's requirements is the availability of deck blocks on the site. With the ready deck block, the shed assembly will begin by first securing 2x6 spruce to the deck block. We'll then place the 4-section floor to this 2x6 foundation and secure it to the castle joint. Next, we'll secure our walls to the top and bottom parts of the castle joint. After that, the door header parts will be secured to its specified location. The roof rafters and plywood will come as 2 parts and will rest on top of a side truss and an overhead hang, which will be secured to the castle joints.
Overall, the team estimate about 5 hours for the shed assembly. However, with repetition, we believe we can eventually hit the 4-hour mark.